Okay, well I'm going to try to pick this lock. You can see right here, this is a new master lock I bought today. See how long it would take me to pick it. I've already picked this once. It took me less than a minute. But as you can see on this thing, it says max pick protection or max pick resistance level 6. So let me give this a shot. Hopefully you can see this here. First off, I'm going to put in my little tension tool. I'm going to go in with this piece right here first, see what happens. This kind of bumps all the tumblers in there. Kind of setting them up for me. This is the method I've been using. Then I'll go in with this one. Well, doesn't want to come now. Doesn't want to come the second time. Doesn't want to come out. Oops. Oh, there it goes. And it's open. Took what, a minute and a half? That's a master lock. Max resistant picking. Max pick resistant.